Good afternoon, students. This is statistics lecturer from Prerna P College. So, as per the instruction given by the management and the demand by the parent, so we'd like to start online classes. So, this may give you 60 to 70% information. So, let us start these online classes. Hope you all are doing good at home. So, my first video class is based on the concept theoretical distribution. It has more weightage and very important concept which we had discussed earlier in class. So let us start the concept. So before going to start the concept, I would like to give little brief about the introduction. So in college level we have completed up to Bernoulli distribution, but I would like to give little introduction once again, and then I can go ahead further concepts. So here is a chapter, theoretical distribution. So it exists in theory as well as real life. So generally theoretical distribution concept, in this chapter we are going to deal with some day-to-day life situational and conceptual experimental concepts. So here it exists in theory as well as both in real life situational experiments. So before going to start this concept, I would like to give little introduction about probability distribution first. So first and foremost, this probability distribution, if any random variable x takes x1, x2 and so on xn real values with respect to probabilities p1, p2 and so on pn, then the systematic arrangement of this, just you can see this one table I have drawn here, capital X random variable that takes the real values x1, x2 and so on xn, and the concerned probabilities p1, p2 and so on pn, then this systematic representation of real values with corresponding probability, then this arrangement we call it as a probability distribution of x. As we all know that total probability is always equals to 1. And another thing also, you know that it does not exist any negative term. Probability always lies between 0 to 1. Now coming to introduction of theoretical distribution. So theoretical distributions are originated according to certain assumptions as well as some conditions or restrictions. So these are generally analyzed and deduced mathematically on the basis of previous experience or theoretical considerations. So they have, these theoretical distributions are purely calculated completely mathematically and on the basis of previous experience or theoretical considerations. These are derived by using the concept of probability for the outcomes of a conceptual experiment. That is the reason I have explained probability distribution concept. Hope you understand. So this probability distributions are classified into two categories. One is like discrete case and the second one is a continuous case. So discrete case means you know that they are purely whole numbers which does not exist any negative. It starts from 0, 1, 2. Just you can see here 0, 1, 2 and so on. So there is no negative integer in discrete case. Distinct set of values we are going to take up here. And another category is a continuous case. These are purely real numbers. It may exist a negative also. That means I mean to say that it exists from real values from minus infinity to plus infinity. So there will be a range in continuous case. In discrete case, some set of distinct values, individual particular value we are going to deal in discrete case. So here is the introduction of theoretical distribution. Now I would like to explain about few discrete case concepts. So totally we have theoretical distribution. There are some set of distributions. Number 1, Bernoulli distribution. Number 2, binomial distribution. Number 3, Poisson distribution. Number 4, hypergeometric distribution. Number 5, normal distribution. Number 6, chi-square distribution. Number 7, small t distribution. Here, as I discussed earlier, this probability distributions are categorized into two types. One is discrete and the second one is continuous case. And here the theoretical distribution types, right from Bernoulli to hypergeometric, these comes under discrete, and normal to t distribution, these comes under continuous probability distributions. So Bernoulli, binomial, Poisson, hypergeometric, these four distributions comes under discrete probability distributions, and normal, chi-square and t distributions, these comes under continuous probability distributions. Hope you are understanding. So first one, Bernoulli distribution. So let us start the Bernoulli distribution. So Bernoulli distribution.